my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes, I managed to get my hands on the Revolution and Friends collaboration products, and guys, oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm so excited. I think I got most of the products. The only thing I didn't get was the mirror, which sold out. Like every time I kept going to buy it, it kept selling out. So that's the only thing I didn't get. But are you excited for this video? Because I am. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the video. Okay, first up we have the Friends and Revolution makeup bag. The lobster one was like sold out straight away. I had it in my shopping basket with the mirror. By the time I got to this checkout, they were sold out. So I managed to get my hands on this little baby here. Okay, and the reason why I've got this is because I'm actually going to put it in the giveaway that I'm doing as soon as we hit 3,000 on Instagram and 500 on YouTube. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get this giveaway going. And all my Instagram details are here as well, so go and follow me over there. It's just Beauty and the Kids. Okay, so are you ready? I got my hands on the scrunchies. So we've got the lobster one, we've got the Friends one, and we've got the monkey. Is it Marcel the monkey? I'm sure it is. Yeah. Anyway, okay, then we have the lip glosses. So I've got Rachel, which is a clear lip gloss. I wonder if they smell nice. Should we give them a little smell tester of how they smell? Because you know what I'm like when it comes to smelling makeup? Well, I smell everything, even my food. So we've got Rachel. Oh, yes. That's coconut. Oh my god, is this the weird one again? Yeah, okay. So this is Rachel. It's got Essential Perk on there. Then we have Monica. We need to give these a little tester, don't we? So this is Monica. I think it's that you don't make a mess with it because they're quite thick. The smell of coconut. Oh, that's a nice colour. So that's Monica. Obviously Rachel's just a clear glass, and then that's her door to her apartment. I love that. That's what I wanted the mirror for, but she couldn't get my hands on it. And we have a Phoebe. So Phoebe is a dark... oh, making a bit of a mess here. Oh, I love that. So that's Phoebe. It's like a nice burgundy raspberry colour, isn't it? And then you've got the lobsters there. Then we have Chandler with turkey on it. Oh my god, what an amazing collaboration. Had my nails done the other day and I'm actually ruining them. So this is Chandler. Nice soft pink. These are glossy. So that is that. I love that colour. That is so me. Gonna give that one a try. So I love Chandler. Then we have Ross. So Ross is a more bright pink. They're quite chunky bottles. So that's Ross. Look at my hand. Oh my god. I'm gonna make one big mess, aren't I, when I take this off. And then we have obviously Joey, and this is a lovely nice nude colour. So that's Joey. Got food because always eating, wasn't it? Yep, loving that. I'm so glad I got all of them because look at that. What a nice palette. They're colours that I would wear every day, and Phoebe is really nice for the autumn winter. And they all smell of coconut as well, which is fab. Okay, then I have the lipsticks. So we've got Monica, Phoebe, and Rachel. Okay, and they are in the classic Revolution packaging, but obviously got the Friends and the name of who it is on there. So we've got this gorgeous colour here. Okay, do some swatches this side. So that's Monica. Judging by the palette, it looks like the lipsticks match the eyeshadow palettes. This is Phoebe. I love that. That's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. That's definitely a winter colour. And then we have Rachel. She was a brown girl, nude browns, wasn't she? Oh, that's gorgeous. Love that. And then that's Rachel. So they're stunning colours as well. Oh, you know what I'm like with my lipsticks. So these are gorgeous. Definitely loving them. They have done such an amazing job with the packaging and how each one represents each character from the show. It's unbelievable. And it's a show that we all grew up with. I mean, I remember when it first started and it finished as well. They are funny, but I don't know. I love Friends. I absolutely love Friends, but I can't just sit and keep watching them over and over again. I don't know, I get kind of bored of them, but I just love them. But I can't sit and watch them over and over again. If it's on and I can hear it in the background, then I start laughing, then yeah, that's whatever. But I won't actually go out of my way to watch them because I've seen them all. And once you see them all, that's it. But I know that everybody goes over and over and over again to watch them, which I do love them, and I'm just so glad I got all of their stuff as well. So this is Monica. I'll just shut up now because I know what I'm talking about. I think it's because I'm just so excited that I've got all of them because I know how quick they sold out, but I think they're still some stuff that's still out of stock, but you know, you can get your hands on a few things. So let's just do a couple of swatches of Monica. I've got Obsessive, and I do love Revolution's formulas, quite good. So there's a couple of swatches there which I like. Okay, then we have Phoebe, and I love the fact that the lipstick, I'll show you. So this is Monica's palette and this is her lipstick. So can you see how the lipstick goes with the palette? And they've done that with the other two as well, which I'll show you in a second and get them open. So this is Phoebe. They're stunning colours as well, and they're all very, very different. And then I'll show you the lipstick. See, it complements the palette, which I think is a really smart idea. I do like that. I love that buffet colour. It looks gorgeous. It's like a nice nude. Smelly Cat, Lobster, Triplet Ice, Flaky Buffet, Science Boy Bike, Ditzy. So it's everything about each of the character, which is amazing. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Like a peach, a purpley nude. That's stunning, that is. I really like that. Look at this silver here. Ooh, wow, look at that. Oh wow, that's just glided on. How stunning is that? So this is nice for New Year's, if anything happens. Okay, then we have Rachel, which is this one here. Got your nice natural colours there with a little pop of pink. And this is Rachel. And then as you can see, that lipstick then complements that palette, which is gorgeous. Oh yeah, I can't wait. If you want me to do some looks creating these, which I am going to do because I think they're gorgeous, then let me know and I will do that. But yeah, oh my god, I can't wait to try them. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Really, really cute. Okay, then I managed to get my hands on the big boy, which I absolutely love. I love the packaging. Oh wow, it's quite heavy. So it's like a tin, big heavy mirror, and then there you go, that is the palette. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely stunning. And then it's obviously Friends. Where do you start? The packaging is incredible. Wow, they are gorgeous. These have got to be highlighters. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, that's stunning. This colour on this side. Wow, just look at that. That's Ugly Naked Guy, which is that up there, and this one here, which is Mr. Heckles. That's what I've just put on both cheeks. Stunning. We're definitely going to create some looks using this. What do you think? I think so too. So yeah, that is the Friends collection. If you managed to get your hands on it, what did you like the best out of it? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Do you know what? I think I'm just going to like get my sisters round and see if they want anything, because I'm sure they're going to love it. They're all Friends fanatics as well, because it all started when we were like young and at school in the 90s. So definitely our era, isn't it? But then guys, that is it. If you want me to create some looks, then leave the comment down below and I will do that. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober just as much as I am. Yes, I have bought all these myself, but hey, who doesn't love getting you know, that rush of buying something before it goes out of stock? I managed to get my hands on it. Let me know if you did as well. And yeah, I will create some looks. I'm going to take some nice little pictures now so I can stick over on my Instagram. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. And I'll see you all tomorrow on another day of Vlogtober. Bye!